get to open it.
Oh, my bad.
All right.
We're not speedrunning opening these boxes. All right, he's ripping it.
Bob Ross Monopoly. This box is better.
Wait, guys. Wait.
The $300 mystery box was a Bob Ross set. What was in the $400 one?
Whole lot of magic stuff.
Let us know if you'd rather have a bunch of Bob Ross memorabilia or a bunch of magical stuff.
Bob Ross.
And if you thought these mystery boxes are cool, wait for the 250,000 box at the end of the video.
I can't wait to see it.
This is a $500 mystery box, and your mom gets what's inside.
My mom?
Is it weird that I'm always giving your mom things?
Yeah, it is.
What did your mom get?
Whoa.
Headphones.